available today in today's stream. Oh, there looks something quite possible. Not yet though. We'd need to wait. There is something there, but I think we'll come back to that. And then here, now there could be a change of direction here, but we would need to sit and watch this one as well for a little while. Yeah, I think we'll come back to this. There may be something there in the, say, in the near future, but not just yet. No, I would leave that one alone. There's nothing stands out there. There could be something here, but it's a bit unpredictable because it's a completely different. I mean, it's done it there, and then it dropped down. And what did it do earlier? No, it's not really something you can predict there. This one's no. Let's go back to that top one again and work our way down and see if we can find them ones we were looking at earlier and see if anything's changing. We'll need to see the next candle on this one to just get some confirmation. And there's the next one. No. No, that's going to level off now. So, okay, there was another one we was looking at. It wasn't that one. It wasn't that one. There may be something here, but not yet again. A little bit unpredictable. Not a great deal of movement there. That's sitting in the middle, Keltner, so it could bounce any moment. So we'd need a little bit more confirmation before we did anything here. Yeah, it's bouncing around quite a lot there. Yeah. That doesn't know which direction it's going. The buyers and the sellers are competing quite a lot against each other there. So we need one or the other. What we got here? Now it hasn't gone much lower than the bottom Keltner before, and each time it's gone up when it's hit the bottom Keltner. So let's sit and wait here a little while. If I'm going to do anything here, I don't want to see it going much lower than these last two. And I think it's already, no, not quite got as low as they were. We'd need to see the next candle, so we can sit and watch it for a little while just to see the next candle. Looks like the buyers are taking control now. Like to see the next candle first. Yeah, we've missed that one, I think. Should have went in a little bit earlier. But no, that's going the wrong way now. Yeah, we'll go to the next one. Nothing really there. What can we find here? Not a great deal of movement there. Or there. There could be something here. Now, I'd like to see a change of direction here. No. There could be quite a wait here. This could be the move. Wait for it. That's bouncing around a little bit there. No, it's not ready to. Not quite ready yet. There she goes. I think there's going to be something here, but I may have to wait for a while first. I met some friends the other day, and me and the missus flew to Thailand to meet some friends, and we was in Bangkok, and we found an Irish pub, and oh my God, the first time in many, many years I've actually had proper English cooked food. Steak and kidney pie, mashed potatoes, and mushy peas and gravy. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, we'll miss this one. But yes, it was an extremely nice meal. Nothing flash, just a normal English dinner. But oh, was it nice? I hadn't had nothing like that for. Oh, I've been travelling for 30 years, so and I've never come across that in the whole 30 years of travelling. But that was superb. I actually took photographs of it because it was that nice. Can't really see anything at the moment. That's really bouncing around, that one. Nothing really there. Uh-huh. Could be something here. We'll wait for the next candle. I'm never in a hurry. If you rush things, mistakes are made and you lose money. So we'll wait and see what happens here. And we'll stick a buy in here. I think that's seem to have got stuck. There she goes. It's right on the middle counter. So it's a little bit risky. That's bouncing up and down now. Oh well. Now, what we'll do now is raise our trade to 250 to make up for that loss. And we'll go to the next one. Nothing really there. Nothing really there. That's a little bit risky. That seems to be leveling off, and that would be too risky. That's going to start dropping again there. Okay, we're going to the next one. Sticking to our 92%. I think we'll leave that one. There may be something there later, but it's not there at the moment. Nothing there either. I think we might need to go back to our top. Yeah, let's go to the top of the list again and start working our way back down again. Yeah, that's really unpredictable. No. They had a nice little pattern there, and then it's broke its pattern there, so now it's become unpredictable. Can't really tell what it's going to do now. Don't know what that's going to do. That's another one right on the middle, Keltner. Once bitten, twice shy. That's right on the middle again. Hmm. No. I think all the obvious ones have. No. Could be something here. That we'll leave that one as well. Now I'm expecting this one to turn around any minute here. There it goes. Now I'd like to see the next candle to get some confirmation. The sellers are putting some pressure on. It's a little bit indecisive there on the second candle. Hmm. I don't feel it at the moment, but it's going in the right direction. Now the buyers are loading up some pressure. Yeah, I think yeah, this one's going to take some time to watch it and find the right time to enter. No, I think we'll leave that one. Let's go to the next one. Nothing on that one really. And the next one. That's a little bit unpredictable there. Yeah, let's leave that one as well. And that's just leveling off. And that could break in any direction. Hmm. Yeah, there's just no movement there. Oh, there's a little bit of movement now. Yeah, it's not the most exciting job, is it? Trading. Sometimes it can be a little bit boring just sitting watching and waiting for the right time. I think let's try and sell one here. We've seen the three candles going down. It's right on the middle counter again. So it could backfire on me, but from the previous candles and this candle, and it looks like the sellers are loading the pressure. The buyers are trying to fight back. It's going to be close. Need a little bit more pressure from the sellers. And we got it. So that's our first win and gained our loss back again. So, which is quite normal. It's quite normal. So let's reduce now our trade to 100 and let's start at the top again and work our way down looking for the next one. Now there could be something here, but we need to see the okay. Whoops. And I just got a message about Bitcoin. Now that could be. This could be the. This could be another one. I'd like to see it change direction here first. Then I'd like to see the next candle to confirm it. Here's the next candle, and it's not confirming anything at the moment. There's just no pressure from the buyers at all, really. Not enough, anyway. Oh, here they go. Think we need to see the third candle. Too much pressure from the sellers, so that's made it unpredictable. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. There's nothing there. Cannot see anything there. Nothing there. Leveling off there. Can't really see anything there. That's right in the middle, Keltner. And today we've already been bitten there once. We don't want to be bitten again. That will be just gambling. No. There could be something here. It's about the right time for it to move up according to the patterns. But it's right on that middle Keltner again. So we'll leave that. Too risky there. Yeah, if you can get 3 wins out of 5, and that would be a good daily average trading. 3 wins out of 5, and that'll always put you in profit. And everyday profit works out quite nicely at the end of the month. That is totally unpredictable. We have no idea what that's doing. The RSI is saying it's leveling off. So it's leveling there. But when it's leveled off, there it is. You can't really tell even by its history. So we'll leave that one well alone at the moment, and that one, because that's doing exactly the same thing. That's not very predictable there. That's doing the same thing. That hasn't gone lower than the middle counter in the last, within the last sort of 30 minutes there. That's going to bounce right back down again. Yeah. Okay, we'll leave that one as well. That's been leveled off for quite a while now. And what did it do that before? Yeah, it did it there. And did it there. Yeah, it's done it a few times, so this would be worth waiting for, to wait for it to start. Well, it started going up now. But we don't know if it's finished leveling off yet. It might sit there for another 10 minutes yet. Can't see what's going on there, really. There could be something here, but there's no pattern showing. So we'll leave that one. This one's, don't really know what that one's doing either. Now, there could be something here. It's done it there, it's done it there, here, and it could be doing it again here. It's done this before, and yeah. The sellers are loading the pressure up, and here comes the buyers. Is it the right time? No, that's leveling off according to the RSI. I think we'll sell it here. I think that's our cue to sell. It's going to be close again. Waiting for that right moment. Not a lot of movement there, though. I was expecting to see a little bit more movement. Here it goes. Just need it to. I need the sellers to put a little bit more pressure on. And there we go. Another one. So that's 2 wins and 1 loss, which is that puts us in the profit. Now, what are we looking for now? Nothing there. Maybe. No real patterns showing. The RSI say it's going to level off. Going in the direction I would think it would be going. And I think we'll sell one here as well. So we've got the first candle was dropping down in selling, and then the next candle confirmed it, and then the third candle coming up dropped straight into selling. So this is why that I've thrown a trade in there. Sitting and watching sometimes, well, all the time, you need to watch what's going on, and it becomes a little bit more predictable. But this is another close one. They've all been fairly close today. But it's going in the right direction. The buyers are putting a little bit of pressure on there, which I don't want to see. And we got that one as well. So now that is 3 wins and 1 loss. So not a bad session, really. So I've got my, even if we lost the next one, we've got our 3 out of 5. And whatever happens next, we'll be in profit. And don't forget, in about 40 minutes from now, I'll be in the Telegram channel and with another live session for you guys to join in with. And don't forget that if you're still sitting on the fence and you want to try this, the minimum deposit is $30, and I will get you a 100% bonus on your deposit. So if you put $30 in, I'll make sure you get a 100% deposit, so you end up having $60 in your account, and that will go for whatever amount of money you put in there. But the minimum deposit is $30. And I'll be in Telegram in about, I don't know, maybe an hour. And I'm going to finish this stream now because I've made a profit. So it's time to walk away, as you should. And then I'll come back in Telegram and we'll make another profit. And that's how it should be done. So I will see you guys very shortly, very soon, in the Telegram channel, and we'll have a live session in